As any Ninja Nutri Blender Pro reviews will tell you, the Ninja BN401 is a great option for making convenient smoothies at home. This compact powerhouse packs a 1000 peak watt motor that'll pulverize even the toughest ingredients in seconds. You'll love the two Auto IQ programs that take the guesswork out of blending. Just press a button and let the blender do its thing. The Pro Extractor blades make quick work of fruits, veggies, and ice, unlocking hidden nutrients in the process. The 24-ounce cups are perfect for on-the-go sipping. Just blend, twist on a spout lid, and you're ready to roll. Cleanup is a breeze too. All parts are dishwasher safe. While it's a bit noisy, the Ninja BN401 delivers impressive results. Just keep an eye on the silicone seal, as some users report mold issues. Overall, it's a solid choice for smoothie enthusiasts and busy folks looking for quick, nutritious drinks. You'll be amazed at what this compact Ninja blender can do. Its 1000 peak watt motor crushes ice to snow in seconds, perfect for creamy frozen drinks. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending with two preset programs for smoothies and crushed ice. Just press a button and let it work its magic. The Pro Extractor blades break down tough ingredients like fruits, veggies, and seeds. This helps unlock hidden nutrients you might miss out on otherwise. You can blend directly in the 24-ounce cup, pop on a spout lid, and take your creation to go. The NutriPro's Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of your blending. You get two preset programs designed for smoothies and crushed ice. Just pop in your ingredients, press a button, and let the blender do its thing. No more standing there wondering if you've blended long enough. The nutrient extraction process aims to unlock more vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies. Ever wondered how to get the most out of your fruits and veggies? The NutriPro's Pro Extractor blades are designed to do just that. These powerful blades pulverize whole fruits and vegetables, including parts you might normally toss out. This means you're not just making a smoothie, you're unlocking hidden vitamins and nutrients. You'll love whipping up icy drinks and frozen desserts with the NutriPro. Its powerful 1000 peak watt motor crushes ice to snow in seconds, perfect for creating smooth, slushy concoctions. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, with preset programs designed specifically for smoothies and crushed ice. The NutriPro is great for more than just drinks. Try whipping up frozen yogurt, sorbet, or even icy sauces for a refreshing twist on your favorite recipes. With its compact size and easy-to-use controls, you'll find yourself reaching for this blender whenever you're craving a cool treat. Life's busy, and you need quick solutions. The Ninja NutriPro's got your back. With its 24 OZ single-serve cups, you can blend your favorite smoothie or shake directly in the cup. Just attach the spout lid, and you're ready to roll. No need to transfer your drink or dirty extra containers. The compact design means it won't hog counter space, making it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. You'll love how easy it is to set up. Just attach the cup and blade assembly, and you're good to go in seconds. Plus, cleanup's a breeze since all parts are dishwasher safe. Whether you're rushing to work or heading to the gym, this blender makes healthy eating on the move simple and stress-free. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. You'll love the 1000 peak watt motor that turns ice into snow in seconds. It's perfect for whipping up frozen drinks and smoothies without leaving chunks behind. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending with two preset programs for smoothies and crushed ice. Convenience is key with this blender. The 24-ounce to-go cups let you blend and dash out the door. Just pop on the spout lid and you're good to go. Cleanup is a breeze too. All parts are dishwasher safe. Nutrient extraction is a big plus. You'll get more vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, even from parts you'd usually toss out. The recipe guide gives you 20 ideas to kickstart your blending journey. As for the cons, while powerful, this blender can be quite noisy. You might want to avoid early morning blending if you have light sleepers in the house. Space for blending is limited to the 24-ounce cups. If you're looking to make larger batches, you might find this restrictive. You'll find plenty of praise for the Ninja BN401's power and convenience in the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro with Auto IQ reviews. Many users rave about how quickly it crushes ice and blends frozen fruits for smooth, tasty drinks. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, giving you consistent results every time. You'll appreciate the easy-to-clean design and portable cups that let you take your smoothies on the go. While most love the powerful motor, a handful found it noisier than expected. The Nutri Pro Compact offers a mix of power and convenience for your daily blending needs. You'll appreciate the 1000 peak watt motor that tackles frozen ingredients with ease, making quick work of smoothies and frozen drinks. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, giving you consistent results. With two 24-ounce cups and spout lids, you can blend and go without extra cleanup. While it's a bit noisy, the performance and ease of use make up for it. The blade design efficiently extracts nutrients, and the cups are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Keep in mind that some users have reported issues with durability, so handle with care. Overall, if you're looking for a compact, powerful blender for personal use, the Ninja BN401 is worth considering.